Welcome back to today's more important analysis videos with me, Rich Paramarket Analyst at Antic Markets, looking at Eurodollar now. And we've seen Eurodollar starting to drift off as the euro started to come under a little bit of pressure in the last few days. We've had three bear candles in a row. Looks like it's sort of building up into a fourth, although we have had an intraday rally of 11.08. Interesting that that's come basically around that long-term pivot around 111 figure. Now that is your sort of key level initially. 111 figure was time and time again throughout 2000 late 15 into 16, sort of a long-term pivot. So having trading above that, you'd say that that is your initial support. Then 1022 being this sort of old breakout level. But you look at these momentum indicators, they're still positively configured, yes, but they are sort of rolling over, aren't they? Now, if you saw the RSI below 50, I think that would be a concern for the bulls, certainly. MACD lines not yet crossed over, stochastics sort of on the brink of sort of drifting away, but it could just be another one of these sort of drift moves that gets bought into. Certainly, I think at the moment we're still positively configured on the medium-term outlook, certainly above that 21-day moving average, just sort of correcting back towards it. Just the hourly chart just reflects this near-term sort of corrective shift, a little drift lower below the 111.60 level, which had been supportive throughout last week. That now becomes an initial basis of resistance, and then up towards sort of 111.90, which is again a little bit of a pivot. So you've got these a few levels there to work with, but certainly I think corrections on Eurodollar again are still be seen as a chance to buy. I'm not certainly not turning negative on Eurodollar quite yet. There's a lot of support still to come into play for the bulls to use, and I think it's just an unwinding move that is going to help to ultimately sort of help to support the euro and push higher once more. But for now, we're looking a bit corrective, but ultimately I still think it will be a buying opportunity. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.